Hacktoberfest will start in just a few days. I'm so excited! I want to share with you today some tips on how to find a valid project so that your pull requests count toward the goal and you can win the prize, that is a t-shirt or a tree planted in your name. Let me get straight to the point. The first way I'd recommend is by using the GitHub Topic feature so that you can explore for Hacktoberfest specific repositories. You can search for Hacktoberfest in the search bar and start a topic. From now on, you will find it real quick in the Explore page and you can bookmark the link. Here you can see all 93,000 repositories with this topic and you can filter them by language. For example, I really like coding in TypeScript and this narrowed down the research to just 5,000 repositories. Searching by topic will easily help you find bigger projects, but in case you want to find smaller projects to contribute, let me show this other way that is probably a little bit better. From the issue page of GitHub, get rid of the author in the search bar and add label Hacktoberfest. If you want easy issues only, feel free to also add label good first issue. Do you want more control over your search? You can use the GitHub advanced search feature. Here's how to do that. Just search for something or go on github.com/search and click on advanced search. Here you can filter repositories by language and, for example, by amount of stars or forks to have an idea on how big a project will be. You can also add a date to get rid of inactive repositories. If you want to search for issues, don't forget to add the Hacktoberfest label and set the state to open. From outside GitHub, you can also join the official Hacktoberfest Discord server and you will find a channel called Project Sharing. In this channel, maintainers will share their interesting projects with a few lines of description so that you can easily pick the ones you like the most. If these Hacktoberfest specific ways are not enough for you, let me remind you that you can find in this video here all the other regular ways you will follow to find an open source project, even outside Hacktoberfest, which also apply in this case. You should give it a look. Those tips already helped me and other developers, so they might help you as well. Hit like on this video if you enjoyed, and well, let's see on the other video to find projects for Hacktoberfest. See you there!